Hey folks, it's Chad from Untangle back again with another quick video about version 13.2. So I'm on our wiki site here, wiki.untangle.com, and I'm looking at our changelog for version 13.2. My first two videos here for 13.2 covered some differences in our dashboard widgets, some new features in our reporting, and then we touched on some of our new VPN features throughout our 3 VPN applications. So we're going to touch on a couple more app changes here for this last video, namely Captive Portal and App Control, and then we'll dive into Directory Connector. Captive Portal actually got a cool addition by giving you the option to block SSL instead of capturing it. There are some devices out there nowadays, if we're trying to capture SSL traffic and they can't receive a cert from the portal, it really breaks things. So being able to block that is kind of handy. Then we also re-implemented MAC address tracking just with a little bit less intense design, a little easier to use. Within application control, we added detection and signatures for new VPN services like Zero and ExpressVPN. The biggest change and the most requested change I think that we did here in these apps is under Directory Connector, where we've expanded Active Directory's domain tree. So now we can actually query multiple servers. Rules can support different servers using new conditions with user in domain for Directory Connector, and this is what that actually looks like. So if we come over here to the Active Directory tab and we enable this, you'll see this looks a lot different now because we can actually come in here and add multiple servers. So this is pretty great. This is something we've been wanting to do for a long time. You're no longer limited to one single Active Directory server domain. And then you'll still see your users, your user groups, that kind of stuff. The refresh group cache option is new now too. We do have a hook now that should refresh that automatically if you make a change to a group on your AD, which is a huge help. We've also implemented something that's been requested a lot from a lot of users, and we have now added support for NetFlow. So this is something that lives at the config level. So if we come to config, yes, let me out. Come to config and network and then advanced. This is where we'll see a new NetFlow tab. So if you want to enable Untangle to output data to NetFlow, we can do that right here. Just throw in the host and the port, tell us what version you're using, and then we'll have that data available. Some other changes, some of the fields in the host table are now editable, and we added logging of HTTP file name, and then also just a lot of bug fixes. So it's cleaner, it's faster, it's prettier, So check us out on YouTube, and also check us out on untangle.com. Thanks. We'll see you later.